Nestled in the heart of the Paarl Winelands, Zandrift Lifestyle Estate stands as a testament to time, where the past, the present, and the future converge. Once a hub of heritage and poetry, today it embodies an unparalleled standard of living, seamlessly blending the legacy of yesterday with the vision of tomorrow.
My naam is Leon Bieter. Ek is een van die agente wat hier aangestel is, saam met my vernoot Marcel Hoogebeen, om die eiendomme by Zandrift te bemark. En ons is huidiglik so amper 8 jaar betrokke met die verkope by Zandrift. And the very first day Marcel, my partner and I arrived here, we were really astonished by what we found here. We haven't seen anything like that before. There was heritage. The landscape was beautiful. The Paarl surrounding mountains was stunning. And what made this the best, there were 2 river streams running over the estate, lovely vineyards, and the views was spectacular. And we knew from the moment we arrived here that this will be special. Zandrift is different from anything else that we've marketed in the past. The heritage dates back to the Second World War, when Italian prisoners of war were sent to South Africa to come and work here. A lot of what you see at Zandrift today was actually built by those prisoners. We have the dams, we have the farmers' homes, we have the shed, we have the cellars. At Zandrift, you can clearly see the influence of their construction. You can see the influence of how they used natural rock to build these homes, to build the shed, to build the dam. The big difference about people coming to stay in Paarl versus people staying in the bigger cities is that this is a place for families. This is a place where families gather over weekends, doing stuff together, like going to wine farms, going on mountain bike trails, walking the Paarl Mountain, visiting all the beautiful sites here, which is something you don't find in the big cities. Zandrift just offers everything. If you're a family person, there's no better place than Zandrift. And it doesn't matter whether you're a senior citizen, whether you're a young professional couple, we all have a place at Zandrift. But the most important thing for all of us to remember is when we share time around the table, when we meet in the restaurants, to talk about the past, talk about the future. And we have one responsibility, and that is to make sure that nobody forgets the history and the heritage that we have at Zandrift Lifestyle Estate.
My name is Dennis Moss. I'm working with the firm Dennis Moss Partnership from Stellenbosch. The word place, we do not think much anymore of the meaning of that word place. The place, Zandrift, its edge powerfully is defined by the ridge of the mountains. That is how you understand the village that's designed here. And a place must have a center and a boundary. If you have a boundary, you understand where the place is relative to others. Now, in this instance, the center actually is inherently the heart of the place. In the design of Zandrift, when it was decided to establish a village here, that the center is already here. Because a very important part of design and the products of design revolves around authenticity. It must be real to really be appreciated. Now, in this instance, we do have a village square. Zandrift center is here. It is the center that was here before we were here. So they established a system of biosphere reserve, and we are in the center of the Cape Winelands Biosphere Reserve. That's where we are. So we're not just any place. We are in this very special places that had been created that would collectively change the world. But the Cape Winelands Biosphere Reserve, I believe, is potentially, but it's potentially one of the most important and best examples of the future that we can have, of how will we achieve this future of sustainability. Everything that you need is here. I don't know of another project that is so current and that's so significant in terms of approvals granted and the designs undertaken that would leverage the sustainability and the long-term confidence and stability than the Zandrift project.
Zandrift is more than just an estate. It's a journey through time. From its rich, storied past to its vibrant present, and onward to a future filled with promise, Zandrift remains a beacon of the unparalleled standard of living in the Paarl Winelands. As we gather around a long harvest table, We celebrate the spirit of this estate, a place where every story, every memory, and every dream contributes to its future.